Hello everyone. Fodaholic Aroma Body Essence Oil 465 ml. Aroma oil is an emergency aid for skin suffering from a lack of vitamins, characterized by a lack of regular, rich nutrition and intensive hydration. Aroma oil is recommended for dry, rough moisturizer, deprived skin of all age categories, including aging skin. In addition, the use of aroma oil has a beneficial effect on sensitive and problematic skin. It relieves inflammation and soothes. In addition, the soft and gentle effect of aroma oil is very favorable for use in children's massage. Universal based massage oil suitable for all types of massage. After taking a shower, apply it evenly throughout the body with a little water. Apply it all over your body like a massage. Absorb it and remove any remaining moisturizer with a towel.